Hello, in this mushroom growing video I'm hoping to show you two mushroom reveals. One from a previous video that I shot last year growing mushrooms in a box that was given to me as a birthday present. I'll show you that reveal and I'll give you a link to that video should you want to watch the whole video. And I'm hoping to show you a reveal from this box. This is a present I got for Christmas. I'm only now just getting round to doing an unboxing. I've read the instructions. I think I know what I need to do. I'll have another quick look at them and then we'll crack on with an unboxing and we'll get this kit underway. Cut the top off the black bag containing the peat and pour approximately 200 ml of water into the bag to moisten the peat. Leave to stand for an hour. Do this in a sink or container as there could be leakage from the bag. Right, well that's what we're going to do first then. Let's take this sleeve off. This is our box. Yeah, let's look for that black bag inside this box. There we go. Right, it's our black bag. And this looks like where the mushroom spores are, in this. Pop that there, and this is the growing container. Right, let's put that to one side. So we want to open this bag and we want to pour into it. Oh, it's just about opened itself at the top here. Look, there was an opening. Right. I've already weighed this out. It's 200 ml of water in here. We're just going to pour it into the bag as per the instructions. Okay. Now we need to give that a soak for an hour. Then we'll come back to it. Okay, it looks as though there has been a little leakage, but not a lot. Let's see the next step is. Empty the contents of the clear bag containing the mushroom compost into the plastic growing container. Keep a small amount of the mushroom compost aside as this will be required later. Press the mushroom compost so that it is packed evenly and firmly into the growing container. Right, and once packed in there, roughen it up slightly. Okay, let's pop that there, pop this here. Let's open this. Okay, so that's how much I'm keeping back, whatever that equates to, and the rest we're going to break into this container. Oh, there's the mushroom spores, you can see them. And then we're going to press it flat. Now then, what are we going to use to press this flat? I know, right. How's that looking? Right, let's just take another quick read. Once firmed into place, slightly roughen the surface. How's that? Is that slightly roughened? Looks slightly roughened to me. Right. Right. Once ready, that's ready. Empty the peat from the black bag on top of the mushroom compost and spread out evenly. Do not press into place. Right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's make a bigger opening here, careful it is here. Did it say all of this? I need to have a look. Once ready, empty the peat from the black bag on top of the mushroom compost and spread it out evenly. Do not press into place. Sprinkle the remaining mushroom compost that you set aside onto the peat and gently mix into the peat, leaving the surface rough. Right, I think I've got that. Yeah, I think I've got that. So we put everything in. It actually looks to be more peat than we need, but let's just break some of these lumps up with our fingers so it sits down better. Well, right, I think there's possibly more than we need here, but let's not, let's just carry on doing what we're doing. Right, let's take some of this off the top without firming it down. Right, now it tells me to roughen that surface up, but I'm telling you it's rough. There's no need to roughen it up, it's rough. Okay, and then it says, yep, sprinkle the remaining mushroom compost that you set aside on the peat, gently mix into the peat, leaving the surface rough. Here we go. Right, so the last bit of mushroom compost going in. Gently work it in. Oh, that's, I don't know whether I'm making a mess here or not. Okay. Right, how's that looking? I don't know. I'll just quickly wash my hands and before I finish this off. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to switch the camera off when I get finished here. And in 6 days' time, I'm hoping to be showing you mushrooms growing in this container. But what I'm going to do now, just before I switch it off, I'm going to dovetail in some footage from a previous video that shows me harvesting mushrooms from a box. Now these are a different type of mushroom. These are a button mushroom. The others were a gourmet type mushrooms. Okay. And all I have to really do is put this in a bag, cover it over, and it'll take about 6 days. And we're looking at mushrooms. Wow, I am looking forward to this. Now then, kit should be kept in a dark, draft-free environment at approximately 20 to 24 degrees C. Right, well I'll find one. One way or another, this will be kept in a dark place where the temperature hopefully is between 20 and 24. Okay, once we start seeing the mycelium growing, once we see the pinheads, we can move it out into the light, and it needs to then be in a slightly cooler temperature of 17 to 20 degrees C to encourage the pinning. Hey, come on, let's do this. Okay, we're switching off. When you come back, hopefully you're going to see mushrooms in this container. Watch that video now, and then at the end of that video we'll be back onto this container. 14 days right on the knocker. Time to harvest some mushrooms. Hey, how about that? How about that? 14 days right on the knocker. Okay, so let's take the mushrooms. I've seen this done on YouTube, but I've never actually done it myself before. So this could turn into a disaster. But it could work quite well. I think we might have got them. Ho ho ho! How's that? Come on, how's that? Amazing! Absolutely amazing! Wow! I'm just so pleased with these. I really am. If you want to see how I grow those gourmet mushrooms, there's a start to finish video link in the text below this video. Or search on best granddad present ever. Okay, it's now 8 days since we started these mushrooms off. Time to take a look. If everything's going to plan, I expect to see some white mycelium on the surface of the compost. Yeah, it looks like it's working. So now we have to keep this box uncovered at a slightly lower temperature, and the pins should develop, and from the pins put mushrooms. Wow, just another couple of days for that to happen. Okay, you've seen one successful reveal so far in this video. Are you ready to see another? It's a number of days now since I loaded this box, and by now we should be looking at pins or even mushrooms. Hey, how about that? Are you excited? Here we go. Wow. It's an epic fail, isn't it? Nothing. We've got nothing. So I guess in the space of this short video, you see success, you see failure. Some we win, some we lose. And I think I've said on numerous occasions before on previous videos, we don't just show winners here at Homegrown Veg. If we have a loser, we show a loser. So what's to be done with this? I think what I'll do is I'll set it aside. I'll keep it just as it is, and I'll make it moist from time to time, see if anything develops. I've nothing to lose, we've already lost, nothing's grown. But who's to say that in the fullness of time, something might grow? We'll only know if we set this to one side. And I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll just set this to one side and see if anything does develop. And if it does, I'll put up another video, I'll show you that. But if it doesn't, if you never see this again, it'd be fair for you to assume nothing ever came of it. Okay, I know it's a bit of a downer, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, so this is Homegrown Veg, signing out.